Later this afternoon, he's coming back to race a jet with his jet car. Smoking Thunder is capable of about 400 miles an hour without any... That jet engine was full afterburner. They fall where we are on the crowd side of the fence. Just stand still, let them hit the ground. They won't hurt you. They're like crepe paper. They simulate a jumper of the canopy, and they will add the distance from the Skyhawk. Melissa bringing this high-energy, action-packed display of unlimited aerobatics in her Edge 540 aircraft. The Aeronautics Exhibit Edge 540 three-blade hard cell propeller called the Claw is pulling that airplane through the sky. Power with almost 400 horsepower coming into the Lycoming engine and an 1,100-pound airplane. That's a lot of power. That's a lot of muscle in her hands. And as she pulls incredible G-forces and climbs into the vertical, she's loading punishing amounts of G on her body. It speaks to her physical fitness. Getting to where she has gotten to and achieving what she has in flying speaks to her pushing herself academically as well. Melissa travels the world doing this, skydiving, base jumping, and flying, and loves to fly these aggressive airplanes, culminating at the end of her routine in a double ribbon cut. See the ground, line up in the aerobatic box, now pushes negative G's around, pulls positive G's, pushes negative G's, rolls again to pull positive G's. Now that negative push-pull was as many as tolerance to these G levels, and again it speaks to her physical fitness. Kicks it one way and then the other as she sets up to tumble that airplane around in a series of snap rolls. Over 200 miles an hour.
I mean, we're having an air show and you're not part of it, so get out of my airspace. Oh, I came here, I know it's an air show. I'm here to show off my airplane. I built it. You built it? You built that airplane? Where did you build it?
I built it in prison.
Built it in prison.
Yeah, I was running for disturbing the peace.
Disturbing the peace. Well, you're disturbing the peace right here, right now. You're not a very good pilot, and you shouldn't be in my airspace. So I need you to. Well, first off, I need you to pull up, Chuck. Up, Chuck.
Oh, I think I just did.
All right. So you realize we have an air show going on here, right?
Right.
No part fell off your airplane. You lost your aileron. And you claim to be a pilot?
Oh, I'm not a pilot. I got my book here, though.
All right, book's important, but I'm an instructor. You want me to tell you what to do?
No, I don't want you to tell me what to do. I never listen to anybody anyhow.
All right, well, if you know what you're doing, read your book and get that airplane on the ground.
Not a problem, though. There's something wrong with my gas pedal and my brake pedal. I don't know what's wrong here.
Rudder pedals, and they're not your gas pedals. So one makes you turn left, one makes you turn right.
Oh, I see.
What's in your book? Does it not tell you what to do?
I'm getting to it. It says here, page 3. You're right. Rudder pedals.
Amazing what I learned in instructor school. Okay, I was taught by everything by Doyle, so I know what... All right, Chuck. Now, you know how the rudder pedals work? You've got a throttle in your left hand. That makes you go fast and slow. Do you see that?
Yep, got it.
All right, and then you've got the control stick between your knees, and then you push that left, you push it right, and that helps with your rudder pedals. And if you push down, you go down and pull up. You're safe on the ground. What can you be busy doing?
Paperwork. I can't talk. I was doing paperwork.
You're busy doing...
flight hours. And right now he's about to take on Mr. Collier and the T-33 jet. Make sure they can hear you all the way out there. Are you ready? Here comes the T-33. Collier's got to get his speed up. He's got the running start. Bill Brock is starting to dial things up. Look at all that energy coming out the back. Very shortly, he's going to get off the brakes, and he's going to light the afterburner. So get ready. Here they come. And boom, here we go. The jet's out front. Brock blows him away, ladies and gentlemen. How about that? With an accelerator. Please give him a wave as he comes by from the right. From Calgary. And is beautifully restored. The maintained T-28 Trojan. And there is the pickup. The Jelly Belly stall speed. Now he wants to fly it on, and he's done that now. So now he's got to scoot. You got to keep the airspeed up. Scoot's not too fast, Kent, not too fast. He doesn't want to overrun or whoa. Okay, he's got the wheels at the very front now. He's got to get the tail down, and that's a coordination effort now. Let's do whoa. They can't slow down too much or too fast because he'll just pop right off the top. He'll fly forward. Not like he's got a belt on it to hold it or anything like that. Now the tail's down. I think right at the right moment he pulls back on the stick and he gets it done. Ladies and gentlemen, Kent Peach.
And now watch as Major Baker repositions his aircraft to demonstrate the low altitude, high speed capability of the F-16. As he passes show center, he'll be traveling just under the speed of sound at 650 miles per hour. That's less than half the Viper's top speed of Mach 2. The ability to turn tight is crucial. Watch now as Major Baker shows you just how exceptional the F-16 is in a 9G turn. At show center, he'll bank sharply, accelerate to a tight turn, pressing him into the seat with a force of 9 times his normal weight, or 9 Gs. In a full turn, the Viper has a turn radius of less than 1,400 feet.
want to see the page scheme on the top side of the jet commemorating. Watch from the right as right comes in for the high-speed pass.
Snowbirds.
Your 2016 Canadian Armed Forces Snowbirds!